No, step one.
Yeah.
No, step one.
Pour the glue and baking soda into your bowl.
Should we add all of it, Mom?
Yeah, you guys can pour the glue into the bowl.
Now?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Can you?
Wait, what glue? This?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
Hey, let me.
Good.
Wow.
Hey, like.
Sweet.
Wow. That's like.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the trash can behind you guys.
Whoa, this sparkle glue is different.
We don't know. I'm adding my normal glue first.
That's what I did.
Okay, so the recipe is to add 8 ounces of glue,
Yep.
which we're doing, and 1 teaspoon
Mom, does it?
of baking soda.
Mom, does it all have to be down and then?
You can just hold it for a minute. Here, Moses.
Let me.
Yep, you can do it.
Now, so.
No, don't stir it with
You
that.
did it.
Now we gotta add the other one.
This
This
glue.
one, buddy. Can you unscrew it?
See if he can do.
So yeah.
Look at mine. It's like a zabe.
Wow.
Let me see, Mom.
Mom, what is it?
It's like. So look at mine.
So same, the same direction. It's just like add the paint, but we did the.
Okay, we
color.
did that.
And then the sail. We had sailing.
And do you add it all at once or gradually?
Right, and the saline solution mixed together with the slime from the
Mine isn't. Oh, I don't know why.
just like keep adding little bits at a time. Yeah.
Oh,
So we're gonna add a tablespoon of.
good. Mine isn't totally in blue.
It will. No, that's what it's supposed to look like.
Really?
And that's what it's good.
Is it?
That's more.
Is it?
Look at mine. See, it's feeling harder.
It is?
Yeah, look. Mine's not. Mine's like a soup. Beat it together really good. Like you really want it to mix.
Like this?
Nice. You can blow bubbles like humongous bubbles. You like
That's in the
straw.
stretchy one.
We can try it with this.
Yeah.
Whoa. Look, Mom.
Nice.
I'm not sure if it's quite ready.
If it's still kind of,
Sticky.
it's a little sticky, you can just add a little more of the saline.
Can you pass me the? Hey.
Whoa, look. It's
Wow.
fucking sticky.
Really mix that cinnamon in though.